everyone, it's Emily here, and today we're talking a little bit about the world's smallest / world coolest series. But the only ones we're going to be talking about are the Rock'em Stock'ems. These are them. So the main part of the game is to try to knock someone's head up. As you see, his head's up. That means it's lost. Now, we're using these so the blue one got really returned, and then this one's just working. So the blue one will always have his head up. As you see, you need to punch his head up to win. So, the reason why I'm doing it is because I found it interesting. And there's lots of them. So, these videos will be cut short for that. So, bye!